There was a time when we could enjoy a solitary walk down the narrowest and darkest lanes of our city. A time when we could go out on the road without any fear or worries. And a time when we could keep our front doors unlocked during bright daylight and feel safe. But today, the sad reality is that it all have changed. We no longer are safe. You never know when you will be victimized. From petty theft to taking the lives of innocent souls, our city and islands have become infested with crimes. How many laws are we going to pass? How many correctional facilities are we going to establish? How much funds are we going to spend to tackle these problems? The government has been spending lots of money to curb these wrongdoings, but to no avail. It is beyond a shadow of doubt that our social fabric is getting weaker and weaker every day, and the crime wave in the country is spreading at such a breakneck speed that if we do not take this problem seriously, soon we are going to be drifting away in an unstoppable ocean of crimes. It is staggering to realize that till October 2014, over 13,000 different offences were reported to Maldives Police Service, of which the highest two were drug and theft cases. Other offences include over 1,600 traffic violations and 875 assault cases and over 500 robberies in just 10 months. Considering the fact that our country is a Muslim nation with just a 3 lakh population, these numbers are indeed disturbing. What is more worrying is that the age group which get caught up under the claws of crimes such as drug abuse and theft are the teenagers and the youth of the country. According to the crime report published by Maldives Police Service in 2012, over 1,400 teenagers and more than 2,000 youth were arrested for getting involved in various crimes. The reality is that the youth are at the forefront of misconduct. How can our future be bright if the youth of this country are trapped and not able to get out of the mess they are in? How can we see light at the end of the tunnel when we have not really shown them the right way that leads to it? Can we keep blaming and judging each other? When do we do our part? When do we start giving dawah to our fellow brothers and sisters? Do we not agree that there is a problem, or are there problems? Where is the remedy? Where can we find it? Do we not want to be part of the solution? The choice is yours.